Welcome to Lexis Nexis webinars. We offer a full annual program of webinars covering 27 legal and tax practice areas, an on-demand library of broadcasts going back 2 years, and options to record and consolidate your learning with quizzes and additional resources. Our webinars are audio-video broadcasts delivered by leading subject matter experts, which provide a convenient way of keeping your legal and tax knowledge up to date and meeting training requirements set by your regulator. We are going to spend the next few minutes running through the key features of our webinar platform to help you get the most out of your subscription. Let's start by logging in. If you're a Lexis or Tolly customer, you can log into that product and then navigate to webinars from the product switcher. This will take you directly into the webinar catalogue without the need to sign in again with different credentials. Alternatively, you can access webinars directly using either your usual Lexis or Tolly credentials or the username and password provided to you in your joining email. Now that you're logged in, you can see the Your Account feature top right. Now, let's search the library for available webinars. If you are not already in the main webinar catalogue, you can find it by navigating to CPD Training, United Kingdom, and On-Demand Training. There are 2 ways to find webinars you may be interested in. You can search the catalogue using the practice area filters on the left. To remove a filter, simply click the cross at the top of the list to return to the full catalogue. Webinars available within your subscription will be available to launch or resume or rewatch if you have previously looked at the content. Webinars marked as purchase are outside of your subscription. You can contact the webinars team if you would like to access them. You can also search the catalogue using the search bar and looking for keywords in CPD training. Now that you have found the webinar that you would like to view, you can find out a little bit more about it before you decide to view it. Below the webinar title, there is a description of the topics covered in it, as well as a short video preview. Below this, you will see the biographies of the speakers and a list of supporting materials including copies of the slides, reports of any relevant cases, and an audio podcast version of the webinar. You can also access links to relevant material in Lexis Plus to support your ongoing research and learning journey. Now that you've decided you want to watch the webinar, you can launch the content using the Launch button. This will open the webinar in a new window. The webinar will start to play and there are a number of viewing options available at top right. You can move the video to the right, or select slides only, or video only. You can also make the video full screen by clicking the button bottom right of the screen and the escape key to revert to the previous view. You can also navigate within the webinar itself by clicking on the progress bar within the video pane or by sliding through the slide carousel at the foot of the player. Once you have watched the webinar, you can also take a short multiple choice quiz to reinforce your understanding of the content. There are 10 questions with a pass rate of 8 or more. You have 2 attempts to take the quiz. When you need to review or report your training, you can access your webinar viewings and quiz results in your account under your CPD credits. Here you'll be able to export those details along with the points you have accrued for watching the webinars and passing the quizzes. You should now have a good idea of how to get the best out of your webinar subscription. With full practice area coverage and focused development and skills topics, you are sure to find valuable content in our UK's webinars offerings. If you have any queries about the webinars product or your subscription, please contact the webinars team on webinars@lexisnexis.co.uk. Thank you for watching.